Hi, welcome to our XOAP Tech videos. Let's install ControlUp agent and console using application and configuration management in only few minutes. So first, log into your workspace and then go to the application management groups. Find ControlUp agent group, click on the action menu and click Edit. Expand ControlUp agent settings and update data for device registration code and for tenant name. When you are ready, click Save to save ControlUp agent application properties, and one more time Save to save group properties. Then you can go to the configuration management and click on the groups. Here you can find ControlUp agent group and click on the action menu, Download. Now we are downloading ControlUp agent registration script, and this script will allow us to register our server to the XOAP platform, and after that get needed configuration and application to install ControlUp agent on the server. So once downloaded, you can copy paste this script to desired server. For this demo, I'm going to use the client on which I'm working right now. So I will run PowerShell as administrator. Then go to the location of the script and run script. Okay, as I said, this script is going to register this client to the XOAP platform, apply configuration needed for ControlUp agent, and install ControlUp agent itself. And this is going to take a minute or two, so I'm going to be back once when this is finished. See you soon. And we are back. When you see the script is finished, you can go back to the XOAP console, go to the configuration management nodes, find the server on which you run this registration script, click Action menu and click Details. Here you can find all system information about this server, and together with that you also can see applied PowerShell DSC configurations and install applications. So if you click on the PowerShell DSC and go to the resource states, you will see that we applied 4 different configurations here. XOAP Windows Defender and XOAP Windows Firewall are related to ControlUp agent, and they actually set up needed Windows Defender exclusion and needed firewall rules. Package installer and monitor are related to our XOAP platform. If you go to the application and search for ControlUp, you can see that ControlUp agent is now installed on the server. And that's all what you need to install ControlUp agent on your machine. And the process is completely the same if you want to install ControlUp console. So you go to the configuration management groups. There is no need to change anything on application management to install the console. So only configuration management groups, find the console group, download registration script and run it on the server where you want. And that's all. That's the way how you install your ControlUp agent or console environment. Thank you all for watching and check our other videos. Bye.